I'm Dr. Elizabeth Weber, an otolaryngologist with SLUCare Physician Group. So I'm a comprehensive otolaryngologist, meaning I see pediatric and adult patients from really a variety of different perspectives and issues. One of my main niches that I see a lot of patients for is eustachian tube dysfunction, aural fullness, kind of ear pressure type issues. I really get to establish relationships with my patients. I get to hear their stories, hear where they're coming from, and develop treatment plans that fit their goals overall in a longitudinal sense. Not only the pediatric patients, but definitely adult patients as well, seeing them every few months, checking in with how their treatment is. One thing that I really do enjoy about otolaryngology is the fact that we often are treating things related to quality of life. Of course, there are things that we see in our practice that can be life-threatening, that aren't necessarily quality of life related. However, a lot of what we see is based on, I want to improve my smell, my breathing, my hearing, the way I interact with the world. I really try to hear how much it's affecting their life and thus give them options as far as how far do you want to run down this, hill? Because we're going to go together and we're going to figure it out. You tell me when to hit the brakes, but I'm here to be your guide, but you're in the driver's seat.